My name is Paul Martin. I work for Church Urban Fund. Well, we were set up by the Church of England in the 1980s after the Faith in the City report, and we aim to tackle poverty in England's communities by resourcing local churches and other organisations to help their local communities. We've been using Aqilla for the last 9 years. It allows us to be really flexible in our reporting and dealing with restricted funds and grants we receive from different trust funders, and be able to report easily and concisely to our funders about how we spent their money. It helps us produce our reports for our trustees so we can quickly get them their numbers and how we're doing against our budgets and forecasts. We do use Sharplight, which enables us to draw data directly from Aqilla into spreadsheets, and it just refreshes almost instantly. Using Aqilla gives me confidence in our financial reporting.